Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Take your Social Studies book, page number 100, chapter 15, Working of the UN. Last class we have discussed about introduction and we have discussed about the main organs of the United Nations. Let us recollect some of the points. So, the United Nations is not a government but an international organization. So, at present, 193 countries are members of the UN. So there are 6 main organs of the United Nations. It works through these organs. One is General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice and the Secretariat. Today we are going to see the special agencies. In your Social Studies book, page number 101. Special agencies. Other prominent UN agencies include the World Health Organization, WHO, Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, International Labour Organization, ILO, United Nations, Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, and United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. The UN's most visible public figure is the Secretary General. Mr. Antonio Guterres of Portugal is the present Secretary General of the UN. So underline this line. At present, UN Secretary General is Mr. Antonio Guterres of Portugal. He became the Secretary General in 2007. After his term ended, on 31st December 2011, he was again re-elected to a second term on 21st June 2011. His first term was completed on 31st December 2011. Who? Mr. Antonio Guterres of Portugal. So again, second time he was elected to a second term on 21st June 2011. First agency, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Actually, this agency provides help to children for their all-around growth and development. So, specifically, these agencies provide fund for the poor children. So, it was set up in 1946. This agency was set up in 1946. It provides funds for the help of poor children. In our country, we have started various development programs with the help of UNICEF. Anganwadi is one of them. Please underline Anganwadi. It helps the mother and child in the field of health, food and education. Have you seen the UNICEF greeting cards? The cards are sold to collect money for such programs. So they are collecting the money. They will give the greeting cards and they have to sold to collect money for such programs. So the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It was set up in 1946, especially for poor children only. Then second one, World Health Organization. This name, this agency already you heard about it. It was set up in 1948. It helps in the improvement of health services. It controls the spread of various diseases. Actually, here they mainly focus on health oriented. So whatever disease they got it. Okay. So WHO is working for the eradication of smallpox, malaria, TB, etc. Many Indian doctors work for WHO. Better health for everyone, everywhere is the slogan of WHO. So underline this one. What is the WHO slogan? Better health for everyone, everywhere. This is the slogan of WHO. Next one, United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organizations. Let us see United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organizations, UNESCO. It's shortly called UNESCO. It had its headquarters at Paris. Actually, this organization set up in 1946. Its mission is to promote, its main aim is to promote education, science and culture. It provides help to expand and improve adult education and women's educational programs. It also provides funds for the maintenance of old monuments. This organization set up in 1946. So it provides mainly help to the expand and improve adult education and women's educational programs. So this organization spend fund for the maintenance of old monuments. Next one, Food and Agricultural Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. Its headquarters, it is in Rome only. Its main aim to provide freedom from hunger. It improves the food protection by making the resources available by providing better seeds to the countries, controlling crops and animal diseases by improving irrigation facilities, because agriculture means mainly they used to focus on irrigation facilities, and by providing better means of conservation of soil and forests. So they want to improve food protection by making the resources, whatever resources available, by providing better seeds to the countries, and controlling crops and animal disease. Whatever in crops also some disease will be there, even animal also. By then irrigation facilities is the main facilities for the protect food protection, providing better means of conservation of soils and forests. These are all improves. These are all the important things these agencies have caretaken. So it is headquarters, it is in Rome only. Then the last one, International Labour Organizations, ILO. Actually this organization, these agencies helps the nations in improving the working conditions of their people. It tries to sort out the problems between governments, employers and workers. So whatever problem we have to face, based on the some rules and regulations are formed under international labor organizations. It tried to sort out the problems between governments, employers and workers. A few other agencies which have been helping to make our world a better place to live in include International Monetary Fund, IMF, and International Telecommunication Union and World Meteorological Organization. These are all some important special agencies of the UN. That's all for today class. I hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.